Hey guys, it's Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So you're probably wondering why I have shoes sitting here. So there's another YouTuber who I love to watch. She does projects with different things like canvas shoes, purses, all that kind of stuff. So it looked super easy, which I know it's not, but I thought it would be kind of fun to try it. And I know it's not going to look anything like hers, but that's okay. So anyway, I got these at Hobby Lobby. They're just a pair of canvas sneakers. I bought this fabric paint from Joann's, and then I bought some brushes. I'm going to do Barbie. I thought that might be the easiest project to do. On the video, she has really cool things like Stitch and Lilo and all this kind of stuff, and I am not an artist whatsoever. So I thought, well, maybe I can do Barbie. These are the ones that I bought from Joann's. I also bought some from the Dollar Tree, but these are a lot actually nicer, and I think that it will hold its shape unlike the ones from the Dollar Tree.